What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame and we're actually finally breaking above 41.6 to 42k. So we're now at 42.8k. Since holding the 20 EMA yesterday, we've now pumped roughly 4.41%. Now this was an amazing close because you're holding the continuation moving average to continue your uptrend. We should now put a higher high. So with this daily candle close, if you entered, you would be putting your stop loss on this low over here, and then that would be a 2.2, let's just call it a 2% stop loss. Let's just make it 2. Yeah, let's just call that 2. And then a take profit you can put to the top of the range, because that's where we're trying at least to come up to. You can see that's already a basically a 4-to-1 risk to reward. You don't even need to be greedy. So let's just see where it topped out at 2.9. So it could have already taken profits there, because we know that we could just go for a minimal of a 2-to-1, which was literally right there. So if you just took a 2-to-1, the trade could have been done. With your leverage, because it's saying 2 and we know we want to risk a max of 5 to 10, we can do 4x leverage on this, and 4x, obviously 4 times 4, 16. So we'd have got 16% by now on that quick trade. So that's literally as simple as it can get, basically, with the daily candle close, seeing how it's closing, holding that continuation moving average with wicks to the bottom, sort of a spinning top, because we also have some wicks to the upside, but longer wicks to the downside rather than to the upside. And then if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we also closed back above the neckline of this M pattern. So I want you guys to notice this in your charts now. So whenever you see an M pattern that's been validated, a lot of the time we'll form a W straight after. And if you're closing back above that M pattern's neckline, it's a great long opportunity, as you can see. Since breaking above, we are up 3%. It did go as high as 4%. But of course, if you're only entering from here, it's currently up 1.38 and it's gone as high as almost 3%. So yeah, very nice. We are now trying to come up to the 44.4k. That is what the target is since breaking above this green box. Now it's green because it is support, but you can see where we're struggling with. If I go to the daily time frame right there, you can see there's that wick right there that we're running into right now. So I would like a daily candle close above that. We have got a 4H candle close positive. I want to see if this 4H candle right here is going to close back below, or if we're going to hold this and form some wicks. So I'll look down to the 1-hour time frame. I would like to see more candles printing, because this for me is not a really test of support. I want to see this come up and eventually come back down, just like what you did here, where we broke above this green box and we eventually came back down. We left a gap. So the gap is good because it's taking its time to come back down. It's not a very quick move up and down like this, where it's resulted in being a fake out, where you've come back down. At least you held the EMAs, your double brick wall, for the continuation, basically. So that's all good. You're holding the 200 EMA, telling us that we should be looking for buy signals. So on the 1 hour, when you closed above this, which is a double bottoms neckline, then we should have longed. You were also above the M patterns neckline. You closed right there. So we could have longed exactly from there, and from current price up 2.44%. So these are the sort of things that I'm personally doing whenever we're in the chat or whatnot. So if you're interested in the chat or the mentorship, or just the course, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto. More details will follow at the end of this video. But that's pretty much it, guys. We need to stay above this green box now that we've broken above it, because now the pattern's target is valid. And I think the pattern's target is in around 44.4 to 44.4 to 46k. I think the target is actually 46k. Yeah, 46.5k. What's also interesting, if I get the fibs out, I think it's acting as confluence. So from the high to the low are 1618, 46k, which is also this previous wick here. Now we know the ascending triangle's neckline to validate 53 to 56k is in and around 44.4. So this double bottoms pattern that we've just broken out of should take us to 46k, which breaks us above the larger ascending triangle, and yeah, taking us all the way up until potentially 56k for the double bottoms target. But the fibs target with 53, and then obviously looking at resistance to the left, structure leaves clues, we've got 51 to 52k as a key resistance up ahead, basically. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. We need subscriptions, we need likes, and of course comments as well. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the Signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the Signals chat. I wouldn't call it Signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTuber's help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.